Health and hygiene, soap, glowing star. Hello, awesome kids. Ready to learn about staying healthy and clean? Let's go. Rocket. Why health and wellness matter. Staying healthy means feeling great and having lots of energy to play and learn, running, books. Good health helps you do your best in everything. Basic hygiene practices. 1. Washing hands. Wash your hands with soap before eating and after playing outside. It keeps the germs away. Open hands, soap. 2. Brushing teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. This keeps your smile bright and your mouth healthy, smiley face. 3. Bathing. Take a bath every day to keep your body clean and fresh, shower. 4. Clean clothes. Wear clean clothes to feel comfortable and avoid infections, t-shirt. Benefits of good hygiene. Good hygiene keeps you from getting sick face, and helps you stay strong, flexed biceps. It also makes you feel happy and confident. Remember, staying clean and healthy is fun and easy. Let's make good hygiene a habit every day. Rainbow.